Hello, guys. When you want to reinstall Windows without installing tools like USB or an external hard drive, today we're going to show you how to reset your computer to a newly installed state without having to install a Win. First, you click on the Windows icon, select the setting, then you find the recovery item, then click the mouse and click on recovery. In the recovery options section, there are two items, and then you select the Reset PC item. The Reset This PC window will appear. In this window, there are two options, Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Keep My Files will delete all apps and settings but will retain data and files, while Remove Everything will remove all apps, settings, and files on your computer. If you want to retain data, select Keep My Files, and if you want your computer to be as new as when you bought it, select Remove Everything. Since the installation of Windows is new, we will select Remove Everything. Here are two items, Reinstall Windows, so select Cloud Download. Additional settings will appear, and it will show the changes. To continue, select Next. Test to be ready, the screen will show that the settings and the app will be removed and the window will be reinstalled. If you're sure you want to reset, choose Reset. The machine will be ready to reset, you wait for the machine to set up and reinstall. In this process, you have to keep the power on the computer because if you turn it off, it will cause the computer to fail. For a long time or fast, depending on the configuration of your computer. Because of the long time, we will turn fast. When you reset the area, you leave the default, selecting Yes, similar to the keyboard style. Then choose Skip to skip. When the window clauses appear, you select Accept. Next, name the computer and choose Next. Wait for the setup. Then select Setup for personal use, then select Next. When the machine requires a Microsoft account login. If you have a friend, you log in, you don't, you want to skip this step, and you disconnect from the internet. To interrupt the internet connection, press Shift plus F10 to display the CMD window. Here, you enter npa.cpl and press Enter to open the network interface. When a network connection window appears, you click Select on that network connection port, then click Disable. The network connection has been disconnected. Then you go back to the /bypassnrow command window and press Enter to restart the machine. You do the same as before, go to Internet Connection and select I don't have internet, then choose Continue with limited setup. Next is the username for the computer. The password you can set, but remember to be able to log in after logging in. I don't have to leave it empty. Then choose Next and Accept to continue. Waiting for the setup. After the setup, it's in Windows. To reconnect your computer to the internet, click on the network connection icon, then select Internet Settings, then choose Advanced Network Settings, and then click Enable to reopen the network port. When the network is connected, you go to Windows Update to update drivers as well as new window updates. So I've taught you how to reset your computer to its original state without reinstalling Windows. If you see or like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos.